Hello and welcome to one of my favourite and most exciting podcasts at First National Action Realty. Because I'm in my city, I'm showing you what we have to offer to the world, including this outstanding cathedral. Built between 1900 and 1904, it's simply stunning in every way and sits proudly right here in the centre of Ipswich. A really special example of early 20th century Gothic revival churches. This one is sure to steal your heart. And today we're going on a very rare behind the scenes look at what is one of Ipswich's most historical buildings. Come on, let's check it out together. Hopefully you'll love it as much as I do. This is so cool. It's getting shorter and shorter as we go up. Welcome to our first stop on this amazing behind the scenes journey. I'm standing in the choir loft, super elevated, overlooking this beautiful cathedral. And over to my left is the original pipe organ. This amazing piece of work has been sitting right here since 1915 and is totally original, from the beautiful brass pipes all the way down to the ivory keys. Amazing, hey? And while we're here, check out these amazing ceilings, absolutely stunning. This is where I really want to go. It's the bell tower and it's home to the original bell from 1876. No longer in use, unfortunately we can't go up there today. And of course the last time anybody heard the bell ring was in 2020 when it was used as a call to prayer at the beginning of the onset of COVID. Anyway, just another interesting place in St Mary's to think about and another interesting fact about Ipswich. Obviously the preparation room with all the robes, very interesting room. Yes, I'm super tempted to try one on, and no, I'm not going to. It really doesn't matter whether you're a religious person or not, because today is all about history and this beautiful city. And this gentleman, Father Horan, well, he was the parish priest here between 1872 and 1924. He had a vision because he supervised and oversaw the full construction of this amazing cathedral, which is why his tomb sits here today, surrounded by beautiful marble, and is definitely a cornerstone of this amazing property. I think he was a pioneer when it comes to construction, that's for sure. When it comes to architecture and history, it's all about the detail, like the stunning marble that is showcased in this lower altar. This was actually built here in the 1980s. The original altar that was put in up the top here in 1918 to 1919 is still as stunning as the day it was installed. And of course, we have to look at that amazing lead light window, also called the rose window, installed here in 1904 and still as bright and as sparkling as the day it was installed. I hope you enjoyed your behind the scenes tour as much as I did. From the beautiful lead light windows through to the stunning marble, and of course this stonework is outstanding. Ipswich is steeped in history and offers well over 140 heritage sites just like this. So if you're looking for something to do on the weekend, or you live here already, if you're that lucky, please come and explore this beautiful city. If you like what we do at First National and you love our podcasts, please like and share them. We'd love to keep them going. Anything you'd like to know about Ipswich, please contact us, and we hope you enjoyed another podcast at First National Action Realty Ipswich.